Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can cancel Claude AI subscription or memberships easily. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your Claude AI account right here. And simply inside, you then want to click on your profile icon. From here, click on settings, and inside settings, you will be able to see the option called billing. You want to navigate through this option, and simply inside you will be able to see your plan. Now to cancel the membership, you can just go ahead and click on the cancel button. Unfortunately, I only have a free plan on my Claude AI right here, so I don't have the ability to simply cancel this specific plan, but in your case, you will be able to see that specific button beside your plan. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.